Okay, so that was the gold color. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to I think the last metallic we have, which is the silver. I'm really not sure what to think after the last ones. Now, I will notice that it does feel a little bit thicker just from the touch. Ooh, okay, okay. Um, Especially with the lights, there's definitely a little bit less opaque than like a chrome. But at the same point, I wonder how that would look with another balloon inside of it. I think it could give a really good lightsaber effect. So, like if I had a neon or one of the lime green 160s and I put it in there, actually, let me see if I got one offhand. I've been emptying out my balloon bag so I could do a video on how to fill a balloon bag. So let's see if I got any in here. It does not appear, but you know what? I bet if you could blow up a 160, probably with a pump, because that would be a pain because of how hard that 260 is to blow up. I'm thinking that would give a really, really good glow for a lightsaber. Um, if you look really closely, I mean, you're going to have a little splotchiness, but not nearly as much as that gold was that we just reviewed. But I'm liking, uh, I'm liking that silver. That's definitely a keeper. That's definitely one I will be using a lot of. I think it would look really good, like on a costume character. So, like, let's say you're having a leather look, but you wanted that silver pop for um, just details. I think it would have a really good look. I think that would have a really nice pop, actually.